Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today we have two stories. Dating apps are losing users. France is seeing more drownings during hot weather. To follow today, use transcripts and vocabulary at linguawire.com. Dating apps are losing users. Now we go to Chloe, our LinguaWire correspondent for Society.
Thanks, Daniel. Yes, people are using these apps less. New data shows a drop in paying users. That is true for Match Group apps. Match Group owns Tinder, Hinge, and OkCupid. Bumble has also lost users who pay.
So this is not just one app. It sounds like a wider change.
Yes, it is a wider change. A social scientist at Boston University explained one reason. She said many people feel tired of technology. Since COVID, many parts of life went online. Now some people want real-life contact again.
So dating feels more personal again.
Exactly. For many, dating is one of the first in-person things. The data also shows something else. Many people still download the apps. They keep them on their phones, but they do not always pay.
That is a useful difference. Free use is one thing, but paying is another.
Yes, and that matters for the companies. The drop is especially clear with paid users. Younger users are also changing. Gen Z and millennials have used these apps a lot. Now, some of them are leaving a little more.
What are they choosing instead?
Some people are trying speed dating. Others are joining clubs with shared interests. Running clubs are one example. The idea is simple. You meet people with something in common.
That sounds much more direct. And maybe less endless swiping.
Yes, and that is part of the change. People want FaceTime. They want a real chance to meet. The apps still matter, but they are less new. That early excitement has worn off.
So the story is not apps are dead. It is more that people want something different.
Exactly. They still use the apps, but many now look outside them too.
France is linking more drownings to hot weather. Now we go to Liam, our LinguaWire correspondent for Environment.
Thanks, Daniel. Yes, the numbers are very worrying. A minister said France had 301 drownings since 19th of June. She said that is a 14% rise from 2025. She called the total a tragic toll.
That is a sharp rise. What does the minister say is behind it?
She linked it to the long heat waves. People have been trying to cool off in the water, but some of them took risks. She said many deadly accidents happened in unsafe swimming places.
So the danger is not only the heat, it is also where people go.
Exactly. She mentioned open water and canals. She also said some drownings happened in private pools. The minister said the government is working with local authorities. The goal is to make swimming areas safer.
That sounds like a practical step. Did she say why hot days can be so risky?
Yes, she gave two clear warnings. First, cold water can shock the body. Second, people can push their bodies too far. That risk can grow fast on a very hot day.
So a person feels hot. They jump in. then the body reacts badly.
Yes, that is the problem. The change in temperature can be sudden, and sudden change can be dangerous.
Were these heat waves only a France problem?
No, France, Spain, and Italy have all been hit. The heat has also fed big wildfires. So this is part of a wider summer problem in Europe.
And people are seeing the result in daily life. More heat, more risk, more pressure on local places.
Yes, and the minister's message was simple. People should think before they go into the water. A hot day does not always mean a safe swim.
First, 3 words from Story 1. Before you go, do you actually know your level and your strengths and weaknesses? Take LinguaWire's quick language assessment. Comprehension, vocabulary, grammar, and listening are each scored separately, so you know exactly what to work on. From there, LinguaWire builds you a personal 12-week plan around your level, goals, and availability. Start at linguawire.com today.